Hi and welcome back for another video. In this video I am doing a speaker test for Lenovo K6 Power. I'm doing this for the first time. I have previously not done any speaker test for any smartphone. So if I get a good feedback, I might do speaker test for other smartphones. So now in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to download some royalty free music from YouTube and then copy that music to the smartphone. And after I copy that music to the smartphone, I'm going to play one by one every song for 1 minute. And since these are copyright music, so I might not get any content ID claim or copyright claim. So I'll do is I'll play these songs on my smartphone, and then you'll be able to hear the sound quality of the smartphone. And I'm using a shotgun mic video micro to concentrate on the voice that is coming from the speakers. So let us get ahead and get it started. Until now, you were listening to the sound of the speaker of Lenovo K6 Power. Tell me how the sounds were, how the speakers was. Tell me how it felt in the comments down below. Is the speaker good and is fine with you? Is the speaker enough for your requirements? Tell me down in the comments below. As far as I am concerned, I think these speakers will do. These are loud enough for a smartphone at this price point. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in another video. Until then, have a good day.